Now we will go through System Pages in WebPort. In the left side menu, click on Pages. This opens this menu with a folder structure. In this demo project, we have a folder for every system, for example ventilation and heating. But this can be created however you like, for example a folder for every building and so on. Let's continue to look at the ventilation LBZO1. Here we see the process page for the ventilation system. As this is only a demo project, there is no real values. The values in this project are created from a script. Here we can, for example, see the current mode of the system, the time schedule. We see that one sensor has an active alarm. We have the possibility to zoom in and out. If we continue to look on different components and see what information we can get, and also what settings we can do. If we follow this airflow from the left to right, we can see that this damper is active from this green indicator, and the damper is open. If we click on this, we get additional information in a side menu. We see that the alarm is inactive. We also have timestamps that shows the last time the value was updated. This can be very useful when troubleshooting if you think something is not correct. Then the air continues to this filter. Under the filter we can see a value. That is the pressure drop in the supply air filter. We also have access to the outdoor temperature. Then the air enters the heat exchanger and so on. We can also see that this system is linked to others. So if we click on UCO1, that will take us directly to that process page for that system. But let's go back to the ventilation system. So except for just looking at information, we also change settings. For example, this pressure sensor has two values, one in blue and other in purple. The purple value shows a set point that you self can adjust. There is also an option to manual maneuver. For example, this pump, we can set it from on to off if we would like. At the top, we can see different buttons like documents. You can upload a PDF file with more information about the system, and you can access it from here. You have Trend View, where you can see historical and live trend data. You have a shortcut to the time schedule. And you have a log, where you can see every change that have been done on the system, even if it's done manually or by time schedule itself. You can add your own comments here as well.